Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, which is conservation of plants and animals. The meaning of conservation of plants and animals is basically prevention of plants and animals. We can also say protection of plants and animals. We can't, if we want to say another way, we can say flora and fauna, which is plants. Flora and fauna means animals. Now, in past, like 100 years ago, when we wake up and open our doors, we can see sound of birds, greenery, clean air, and cool atmosphere. But nowadays, when we open the door and see, we can see building, polluted air, noise pollution, and less trees. Okay, so now I can tell you one experiment that you can try at home. You can take two dolls, one doll with hair and the other doll with no hair on her head. Okay. Now you can take one glass of water and pour it in the non-hair doll and see that how quickly the water goes down. Then you can do the same experiment on the other doll which has the hair and put the glass of water on it. You will see that how the water level is in at the end of the bowl. So this happens same with our trees. When we don't have tree, it directly goes the water into sea level, and when we have tree, it goes into tree and then into ground. Okay, so it's a very good experiment. You can try at home. Now, cleaning of forest for human benefit is called deforestation. There are two types of deforestation. First deforestation are naturally, like fire forest, like rainforest, Amazon forest has a fire, like that is called a natural deforestation. And also human benefit forest deforestation, like we use the pencil are made from wood, the paper, the furniture, the so many kinds of oil, the rubber, all comes from the tree. We do deforestation for wood fuel, burning, factories, houses and roads, and agricultural land. We need a clean land, so we clean the whole part. Now, what is pollution? Trees take O2 and give trees take CO2 and give O2 during the process of photosynthesis. So we cut down the trees, the level of CO2 will also increase. Pollution cannot go into space, so our earth is full of pollution. This is very nice point to take. The pollution that we create from vehicles or other things which directly don't go in the outer space, but it just stays in our earth, so it is getting polluted. Into space is full of pollution, increasing of heat because of global warming, and effect of water cycle, glacier melt, and also ground cannot hold excess water and rise of sea level. And this happens like glaciers melt because of so much heat around us. Then also it affects on our water cycle. Then excess water, ground can't hold an excess amount of water, and sometimes it can increase our sea level. Now, without trees, increase of soil erosion means without trees, soil erosion, removal of topper layer of soil, and reduce underground water, which relates to the hair experiment. You can see that. Now, what is biodiversity? Plants, animals, and microbes. Protected areas are called national park, biodiversity, and sanctuaries. These are the three which are called protected areas for plants and animals. Let's start with the national park. The word national means government related, and the park means recreation related. It is called park because they allow the children to camp over there to get more educated over there, so they want to share the education, so they allow. There is aim to protect and develop the wildlife or its environment, and their aim is to protect the wildlife and its environment. People are allowed allowed live there, but they have to follow some rules. Like near areas they can live over there, but they have to follow some rules, like not disturb their habitat. You can't disturb them. You can't also give in different types of food. They need to do their own things. They are like just living in their old world, so you need to follow that. Do not hunting over there. Do not hunting their animals. Then they have to totally take care of the animals. They don't have to do anything. They just need to live over there. Jama Cohebet National Park was the first national park in the India. Now let's go to wildlife sanctuaries. India has 537 wildlife sanctuaries and 50 reserves for Save Tiger. You know, it was a thing, Project Save Tiger. So 50 of the centuries save the tiger. Project is to save the tigers. Animals are safe from hunting there. Now, Biosphere Reserve, a vast land connecting either a terrestrial or coastal ecosystem. Over here, we are the mixing of national park and wildlife sanctuary. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India and area of endemic species. There we can find endemic species. What is endemic species? Endemic species are like we can't find them at any place. They are very rare. Okay. Now, have you heard of the word Red Data Book? Now I am going to explain what is Red Data Book. Record of names all endangered species which you can't find right now, and if you can find in a very less amount. So there are called red data books. There are two types of red data book, actually many types of plants and for plants. One is for animals, then we can also see for birds another, then marine animals and etc. Migratory birds. What is migratory birds? Go when there is a climate change. Birds, have you maybe heard of that? Birds migrate. That word means that when they cannot find the sources around them place, not food, not living thing, where the climate change. So they go near the seas, Pacific Ocean. They travel a lot and they migrate over there. So they change their livings. And there when it happens, they come back over here. So that is called migrate. We need 17 full grown trees for 1 ton of paper. Like when we use 1 ton of paper, which takes full 17 trees. One sheet of paper can be reduced 6 to 7 times. Just as it's 6 to 7 times. But where we can see the paper on a in a dustbin, or we can see paper on a on heels and thrown anywhere. Actually, we can recycle and reuse again at 6 to 7 times, so trees can be more safe. Now, we have lungs and we breathe. Now, have you ever thought that the earth's lungs are trees? Because they give us oxygen, they are the main part, lungs are the main part. So, the earth's lung is the trees. So, I think you should and I should save the trees forever. Reuse, reuse and recycle. Bye. Thank you.